Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. The foundation of any scientific inquiry is the research methodology, which offers a structured approach for collecting, arranging, and interpreting data to derive valuable insights. Data coding is a pivotal method in the research journey, aiding researchers in comprehending the gathered information. This video delves into the concept of data coding, its importance, and offers relevant examples to demonstrate its role in research. So, first, what is data coding? The procedure of data coding involves converting unprocessed data into a structured and easier-to-handle form, which allows researchers to recognize patterns, themes, and connections in their data. This process includes labeling or assigning numerical codes to various pieces of information according to predefined criteria or categories. These codes serve as a link between the raw data and the analysis stage of research, making it easier to organize and interpret the data. Next question is, why is data coding important? Data coding plays a pivotal role in the research process for several reasons. 1. Data reduction. When researchers collect vast amounts of data, coding helps condense and summarize it. This reduction makes it feasible to analyze large datasets effectively. 2. Data organization. Coding provides a systematic way to categorize and group similar pieces of information together, making it easier to manage and analyze the data. 3. Pattern recognition. Coding allows researchers to identify patterns, trends, and relationships within the data that might not be immediately apparent when working with raw data. 4. Interpretation and analysis. Coded data serves as the foundation for statistical analysis and hypothesis testing. Researchers can run statistical tests on coded data to draw meaningful conclusions. 5. Comparative analysis. By coding data consistently, researchers can compare and contrast information across different cases or groups, aiding in the generation of insights and theories. Now, let's look at some examples to illustrate how data coding is applied in different research scenarios. 1. Qualitative research. Data coding is frequently utilized in qualitative research to categorize and analyze textual or narrative data. For example, consider a research project focusing on customer feedback about a new product. Customer comments could be categorized into groups such as product quality, customer service, pricing, and delivery. Each comment would then be given one or more of these codes based on the primary topic it discusses. 2. Survey research. When conducting survey research, coding may entail assigning numerical values to answers on a Likert scale. For instance, in a survey regarding job satisfaction, the response, strongly agree, could be given a code of 5, agree, a code of 4, neutral, a code of 3, disagree, a code of 2, and strongly disagree, a code of 1. These numerical codes allow for the quantitative analysis of survey data. 3. Content analysis. Analyzing content typically includes categorizing textual or visual material, like news articles or social media posts, into predetermined groups. For example, when conducting a content analysis of news articles on climate change, scholars might categorize articles as favoring climate action, neutral, or doubtful of climate change. This categorization enables researchers to evaluate the frequency of various viewpoints in the media. 4. Medical research. Coding in medical research entails the classification of patient data into various diagnostic groups according to symptoms, test findings, or medical records, enabling researchers to assess the efficacy of different treatments for particular conditions. 5. Historical research. In historical research, data coding remains valuable. Historians could categorize historical documents according to themes, time frames, or significant occurrences. This allows them to recognize recurring themes and developments in historical records and acquire fresh perspectives on the past. Utilizing data coding strengthens the robustness and trustworthiness of research methods in diverse fields of study. When engaging in qualitative or quantitative research, coding is instrumental in converting unprocessed data into valuable insights. Through the systematic classification and arrangement of data, researchers can reveal concealed patterns, formulate conclusions based on evidence, and contribute to the progression of knowledge within their specific domains. Therefore, when commencing a research endeavor, it is important to recognize the significance of data coding in unveiling the hidden aspects of your data. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.